Now, so, and you just mentioned pet friendly companies, which I know that I've heard you say that those are your sweet spot. Can you say why?
Yeah. Um, friendly. I love pet friendly companies for several reasons. The first one is obviously they are employee focused, right? They understand that they have to serve their employees and provide a convenient workplace to get equal commitment and also engagement from their team. Gone are the times when companies just had to supply a desk and salary, and people were happy just to be there, right? Instead, when people are required to show up at their best, the conditions that they work in have to be the best as well. And pet friendly companies get that, right? And so dogs in the workplace can provide a lot of benefits to people as long as the dogs are well behaved.
Hmm.
But we can get to that topic at another time, right? And so these are companies that are committed to the well-being and the growth of their employees, and therefore they engage also coaches and trainers like myself to advance their skills, performance, and well-being.
Mm.
And then the second reason is at pet friendly companies, it is a given that people love dogs and that also people accept dogs. So
Mm.
using my stories and analogies are really just a natural fit.
Hmm.
And now here's where I can take the workshops to a completely different level. When I talk with an HR person, or let's say with the business owner, and we identify the challenges that people have or the topics that they want me to address with their team, I can use real life examples with the dogs. Now, what does that mean? I ask the person who hires me about the dynamics that they observe between people and their dog. Or if the company is here in town in Atlanta, in the Atlanta area, I can often come by and watch and also talk with a couple of employees to see how they interact with their dogs.
Mm.
Now, that tells me so much about people, more than when I see them interact with people,
Hmm.
right? Because with our dogs, again, what I just said, we let our guards down and
Hmm.
we show our true us. With people, we sometimes feel we have to protect ourselves and we have to be someone else. So again, in pet friendly companies, I can take my approach to another level because of the relationship that people have with their dogs and the customized approach that leads to deeper learning, broader application, and therefore, in the end, also greater success.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I can see how it adds a whole new dimension
Hmm.
to
Yeah,
leadership training. Yeah. That's
it
great.
is. It is. And again, it is bringing two worlds together into one.
Mm. Right.
And what is then the cool part about it is like, with that, also the just one of the natural side effects is that the harmony in the company even improves because people learn how to interact better with the dogs. Everybody is getting on the same page in that way. And some of the conflicts that some of these pet friendly companies have with the dogs also can get resolved completely.
Wow. Interesting. Wow. Nice. Well, I can definitely see why those would be. That is your sweet spot for sure. It makes so much sense.
Natural fit.
Right.